Assalamu alaikum Morokistan family. Today we are baking a soft and flavorful orange cake, a perfect treat for tea time or any special occasion. It's simple, delicious and topped with a homemade orange sauce that takes it to the next level. Let's get started. In a bowl, add 1 cup of sugar, then add 1 tablespoon of orange zest. Mix them well together and set it aside. In a blender, add 5 eggs, 1 cup of oil, 1 cup of orange juice, the sugar and zest mixture, blend for 3 to 5 minutes until the sugar dissolves and the mixture becomes lighter in color. Now in a large mixing bowl, combine 3 cups of flour, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, mix well, then pour in the blended mixture. Stir until completely smooth. Make sure there are no lumps. Quick reminder, if you have not subscribed to Morokistan Kitchen yet, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to tap the bell icon so you will never miss any yummy updates. Grease your cake mold with oil and pour in the batter. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 Celsius for 40 to 45 minutes or until fully baked and golden. Now let's make the orange sauce. In a saucepan, combine 1 cup of orange juice, half cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, cook over low heat for about 5 minutes, stirring constantly until it thickens into a smooth sauce. Let the cake cool completely. Pour the warm orange sauce over the cool cake and garnish with fresh orange pieces. And that's it, your delicious orange cake is ready to enjoy. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, comment and share. Happy cooking and see you next time.